Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Emerson Radio Corporation. And if you look at this trend, these trends are very simple to understand. Let me tell you first, because it is easy to calculate. You have your calculated support and resistance level which is known. With a negative thing, or as you can say, rather than negativity, with the limitation that one should not move beyond the boundaries, because this is a consolidated or a flat chart. So we are going to discuss about all of those, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now if you look at this chart, as I've already told you, so you have your big support levels here. Okay, so this is the support level which we need to see on the downside. On the upside you have your big resistance level here. Okay, and the stock is moving in between the trend, so do we. Okay, unless the stock makes a breakout either on the upside or on the downside, one should not simply think that something is about to happen. Let the stock decide. Don't even try to decide in this kind of trend. If you are trying to do that, I'll tell you, you will be in a mess and bound to lose lots and lots of money. So don't try to be, uh, over smart, I would say. Okay, if you are optimistic, so stay within the range. So if you are pessimistic, stay within the range. If things are simple, understand how it is and play simple. That's the only thing here. Let me just show you. So here you have your first support at 0.66, and then you have your next support at 0.58. So first of all, these are your primary support levels, and looking at the trend, as you can see here, the stock has taken the support in between these two lines, or probably at 0.66, and started moving up, where you can find your resistance or target at 1.7 on the upside, or probably you can use these two levels. Okay, so here you have your support which is in between 0.58 and 0.66, and your resistance which is in between 1.5 and 1.7. This is the range you need to look at. Do not just go and jump around, because this has been the range in the last 10 years. Okay, so if the stock hits the resistance, it's better to think that whether it will go up or not. In case if the stock sustain above 1.71, 1.72, probably 1.75, the key is it needs to sustain. Okay, if it does that, then obviously you can look at 2.47, and if it sustain over there, probably $5 on the upside. That's it. Do not simply think, do not even think, no need to think about something beyond that. If the stock makes a breakout, sustain over $5 or $6, then that's a different case. Then the new trend will start, and we are going to accept as it is. But before that, this is the level. First of all, you should not expect even beyond 1.7. Okay, if the stock closes above 1.7, 1.75, then you think only about 2.4, and in case it closes above $2.5, then you are looking at $5 on the upside. Similarly, on the downside, if it breaks below 0.58, then your next support will be in between 0.24 and 0.28. Even on the downside, you should not think that it will break all hell loose and it will go towards zero, unless it falls below $0.2 on the downside. So this is what the trend is all about. Stay within the trend. You have your calculated movements. So if it is going up, okay, just go with the flow. Once it hits the resistance, either exit the target, better to exit from that level. And if you're very bullish, then use your stop loss. But in this kind of trend, it's very hard to cross those levels. The simple reason is because if anything, any stock is not moving for the last 20 or 30 years, okay, there are lots of things which has happened. Some good economic conditions, some bad economic conditions, some fiscal policy measures, some monetary policy measures, everything has happened. So nothing has been successful for this particular, for that X stock to move beyond a certain level. So if nothing worked, so there is no way that because you are thinking something that will work for this, that's not going to happen. So don't think or don't overthink these kind of things. Stay in the range, earn your profit, and just move out. This is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.